Good morning, folks. Thank you for sticking around my channel, and let's continue with the news. The first news is about Truecaller. There is an application that you can record calls, that is a Truecaller. The Truecaller Assistant has announced last September, and it was made available in a few countries like US and Australia. They've launched in India, and this is an AI-based call screening solution that uses cloud telephony and machine learning to answer your calls in natural language and provide you live transcription of what the user is saying, helping you to decide whether to take the call or mark it as spam. It currently supports English, Hindi, and English, and there's no plan for supporting any other Indian language. How did English become a language? This is actually very weird. You can try it for 14 days for free, and after that you will have to do a subscription. The plan starts from 149 rupees or $1.8 per month. It's a part of limited promotional deal. You can get it as low as 99 rupees or $1.2 per month. It's only available for Android users in India. It is not available for iOS users. As you know, Samsung has already launched a similar feature called Bixby for Samsung phones, and Google was the first person to introduce it as call screening. And iOS 17 will give you the feature automatically. So, will this be necessary? No idea. But still, try it out, might help you. Cheers.